The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. Okay, let's talk about grain lines. Let's pretend this is a roll of fabric. I pull out the fabric. This is known as the length grain of the fabric. This is known as the cross grain of the fabric. There's also a third grain line, which is known as the bias at a 45-degree angle. And the edge of the fabric is known as selvage. Okay, I've made this cute little pattern here, and I've drawn a grain line. I've labeled it grain line, this line right here, which is parallel to center front. And the purpose of a grain line is to tell us how to place the pattern onto the fabric. You see, without a grain line, we have no idea how to place this pattern onto this fabric. This way, this way, this way. But with a grain line, the grain line is always parallel to the selvage. So it goes like this, not like this, not like this, but it's always parallel to the selvage. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.